Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers PDF Viewer Widget to your Wix website. A PDF Viewer Widget can help you display documents directly on your site, improve accessibility, and give visitors a smoother reading experience without needing to download files. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now search for PDF Viewer and open it. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the Content tab first. Here, you can change the widget title and subtitle. In the Files section, you can also add multiple files by clicking Add New File. Next, go to the Templates tab. Here, you can change the layout type, adjust the alignment, and set the widget width. In the Viewer Control section, you can turn navigation, zoom, full screen, and thumbnail options on or off. In the Download button settings, you can enable or disable the download button and also choose whether to open the file in a new tab. Then, in the Style tab, you can customize the typography, change the title color, and update the background color, and button text. You can also adjust the border shape by changing the border radius, border width, and border color. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After publishing, copy the code and go to your Wix site editor. Now add a Embed HTML block, paste your installation code inside it, and click Apply. Finally, publish your website. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.